Go ahead. See, the target is the slow children playing sign because apparently we like to shoot at slow kids.
Boom! In the nuts!
Explosion!
Boom! Woo! Missed. Ah, in the nutsack.
Oh, that was totally a goal.
Ah. James Bond. Finish.
You missed him. Did you see that?
Oh.
Dave Bonham, did you, Oh, fuck! That was my nuts! Oh! Hell no! Hell no! Freaking A! I hate Dave Bonham right now. I basically hate Dave Bonham. That's basically it.
Because what's better than hitting somebody with a dick?
Nothing. Well, actually, hang on. Is your mark still okay? A little bit.
Oh, yeah,
Little
little
bit.
bit.
There.
Yeah, nerfs.
Asshole.